We're creating a video because in the writing group they also create small videos, art videos, based on the poems that they've written. Some of them do. And so we promised to also make a new video based on some of our texts. And so we are creating some of the footage for that right now. We're hoping to release it.
Morten siger, "It is the exoticized poetic form that makes the artwork stand out on its own rather than stand in as blurry secondary signs on the surface of someone else's impenetrable subjectivity. The poem presents and makes accessible certain feelings and motives, not by effacing the artificiality of its textual construction, but by relinquishing any illusion of transparency. The poem emerges as artwork, as a presentation that individuates in its tentative significations through the witnessing of the group. The sense the poem makes, even to its author, evolves in the process."
Maria siger, "I would suggest that the way the text is worked with is co- and trans-individuating, and in this sense enables care. With Stigler's use of Winnicott, I would suggest seeing the text as a transitional object, which lets the writing group become a transitional space. It becomes transitional as the text comes to consist. The exterior text comes to work as a retention of the other and oneself in a way that makes the text infinite. The text hasn't got a fixed way of being interpreted, but is in a process of becoming with the participants."
Emil siger, "The enigmatic is not a presence of a foreign coherence, but can be understood as a present absence of coherence, an incoherence opening to translation, or as I would rearticulate, an opening to participate, an invitation. For Laplanche, a child's fundamental submission to the adult's enigmatic seduction isn't to be ever more subordinated, but facilitates the formation of autonomy for the child's continuous attempts at translation. It is to be challenged and to challenge in return, uniting subjectification with the cultivation of reflective independence."